All right, good day, class. I just wanted to catch you up on chapter 4. We're going to continue on with our discussions this week on Blackboard. I really love the ideas and the thoughts that you guys are putting out there. It seems to me that you are being critical, you're being analytical, and I absolutely love that. So please keep up the good work. As far as the information for chapter 4, I really just presented some stub information. There's a few things I want to highlight. I won't go as in depth as I did with chapters 1 through 3. On chapter 4, I uploaded the PowerPoint dealing with ethnic intergroup relations and also dealing with um, minority group responses to prejudice and discrimination, as well as dominant group responses. But before you get into that, I have two videos that I posted. One talking about George Herbert Mead's development of self, and basically what it deals with is how society views us and how we view ourselves, how that combines to basically gives us our own personality. That's what I want you guys to pick up on from that video. That personality is not something that we just are born with, but it is something that we develop through our interactions. As far as the minority and dominant group responses to prejudice, I particularly want you guys to take note of things such as avoidance and deviance and defiance. Those minority group responses to prejudice is something that I probably will ask you guys about on the exam. As far as dominant group responses, what does a dominant group do in response to the presence of a minority group? And that can be genocide, which is the systematic killing of a group. It can be expulsion, and that's the forced removal from one territory to the next. So please pay attention to those definitions. It's about 13 slides, so it's not a whole lot of information that you have to go through. I have a link to a YouTube video called A Class Divided that deals with prejudice and discrimination, in particular, what we talked about from last week. But this week, I want you to look at the difference between prejudice and discrimination in the video. And in addition to that, I want you to see how easily prejudicial attitudes can change and shift and impact how those attitudes, those ideologies, it can impact the way we see other people, but most importantly, the way we see ourselves. So please take a look at the videos that I posted. I did upload a study guide for you guys this week, so take a look at that as well. And the way that I'll do the test is Wednesday morning I will upload the test. I will have it available to you under course assignments. You will have a week to complete it, meaning that you can choose between Wednesday of next week all the way to Wednesday of the 24th to complete the exam. And once you get that finished, your grade should be automatically uploaded so you can instantly see what you made. If you have any questions beforehand, please let me know. It's going to be 50 questions, multiple choice, true, false. So please just make sure you're familiar with the information. The way I do the exams is you cannot backtrack. So once you go to a question, make sure that you are ready to answer that question, because there is no going backwards. The questions are randomized, the tests are randomized, so you can't sit there with another person and try to figure it out. And I think that sums up everything that I wanted to tell you guys for this week. But again, I will talk to you guys on Blackboards, and just hit me up if you have any further questions. Thank you.